Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog DNA tests kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Embark Dog DNA Test Kit. Embark is by far the most praised dog DNA test kit across online marketplaces, and for good reason. The people at Embark test for around 256 quadrillion genes and cross-reference with more than 200 dog breeds, which shows that they genuinely care about the dogs they check. The test includes both the maternal and paternal lines of your dog, going all the way to great-grandparents. Not only that, but the results will even tell you if your companion has wolf or coyote ancestors. How cool is that? Besides checking the bloodline of your dog, the test also includes a health screening test, which searches for more than 160 known medical conditions for dogs. That's as high as they get, which proves once again that this is the best dog DNA test you can get. This test is on the expensive side of the spectrum, that's for sure, but if you trust only the best for your pooch, the Embark Dog DNA Test Kit is worth every penny, especially since using it is as simple as swabbing the inside of your dog's cheek and sending the kit back to get the results within 3 to 7 weeks. The Embark Dog DNA Test Kit is our pick for the best dog DNA test because it offers the same level of accuracy as a human test, with plenty of genetic markers, both paternal and maternal tracing, and a thorough health screening that will point out anything your pooch may be suffering from. If you're looking for the absolute best for your little buddy, this is the DNA test for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wisdom Panel Premium Advanced DNA Test. The Wisdom Panel Advanced DNA Test is a unique product that analyzes submitted DNA samples to provide dog owners with a comprehensive overview of their dog's ancestry and breed composition. The Wisdom Panel Advanced DNA Test screens for over 200 different genetic health conditions, thereby helping dog owners to be more proactive when it comes to maintaining their Fido's health. Additionally, this DNA testing kit provides information on a dog's individual physical traits such as coat type, ideal weight range, and eye color. And for areas where a pooch falls short, Wisdom Pet provides dog owners with special care recommendations. Instructions for using the Wisdom Panel DNA Test Kit are easy to follow, and to collect DNA samples for testing, users simply have to swab the insides of their dog's mouth for a minimum of 15 seconds. The Wisdom Panel team thoroughly tests collected samples, and comprehensive results are sent back to dog parents between 2 to 3 weeks after submitting the samples. Precise and comprehensive, the Wisdom Panel Premium is an effective tool for dog parents looking to gather more information about their Fido's origins, physical attributes, and potential health conditions. Its test kit is relatively affordable, easy to use, and swiftly delivers test results. At number 3, we have the Orivet Dog DNA Test. This Orivet Dog DNA test analyzes collected canine samples and screens through a database of over 350 different dog breeds to provide the breed makeup of any dog. Results of the Orivet DNA breed tests usually come in a percentage breakdown, thereby giving dog owners a clearer and easy-to-understand overview of their pooch's genetic makeup. Additionally, the Orivet Dog DNA test package includes screening exercises for inheritable genetic diseases. And in situations where it is discovered that a pooch is prone to suffering from any of these genetic disorders, dog parents are provided with advice on how to proceed with these health conditions. Information collected during the Orivet Dog DNA test is used to curate a specialized wellness plan for the pooch in question. And dog parents also have the option to liaise with their vets to formulate a customized wellness plan, following the schedule that is typically included in the Orivet Life Plan. The vast Orivet database of available canine breeds ensures a great degree of accuracy you can expect when it comes to predicting canine breeds. And with the Orivet Dog DNA test, there is a fast turnaround period when it comes to the delivery of results, as the results do not require any form of post-processing or interpreting expertise. At number 2, we have the DNA My Dog Canine Breed Identification Test. Are you put off by the long waits and hefty prices of many of the dog DNA testing kits? The DNA My Dog Breed Identification Test Kit might be the perfect option for you. Results are available after about 1 week. And, the cost is significantly more budget-friendly. As with the other kits, you'll swab your dog's cheek to get DNA, mail the sample in, and then get details on your pup's ancestry. You'll get details on your dog's breed composition, as well as information on your dog's dominant breeds and the associated personality traits and health issues. And finally at number 1, we have the Embark DNA test for purebred dogs. Embark's DNA test for purebred dogs combines the reliability and thoroughness of Embark's genetic testing with data specific to purebred dogs. Since Embark checks more 220,000 different genetic markers, covering about 8% of your dog's total genome, they can offer more detailed data than other services, which is particularly important if you're trying to learn about your purebred dog's genetic lineage. As with Embark's Breed and Health Kit, the Purebred Dogs test analyzes more than 210 genetic health risks and more than 35 physical traits. However, the test for purebred dogs also offers genetic diversity information, more specifically your dog's genetic coefficient of inbreeding, or COI. Embark's Purebred Dog Test can pinpoint where your dog's COI falls in relation to both your dog's breed and all other dog breeds. While inbreeding purebred dogs can maintain or emphasize characteristic traits of the breed, too little genetic diversity can have negative effects, particularly when it comes to fertility. Embark also offers DNA testing kits specific to breeders. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.